Well, let me just ask this. I know this is probably not today, but are we
Ask the
gonna
question. Let's go. Ask the question.
net
Let's go.
sheet, net sheet, net sheet?
What
That's
about
a
it?
question. Are we gonna go over that
Not today.
on? Okay.
Y'all always trying to get ahead of my train. I don't know why. I'm trying to walk y'all through it. If I gave y'all this whole listing appointment training, y'all want. Who has called it for sale by owner in the last 10 days? I know you did. Everybody else goes, not me. So really, I'm training this to just you, Ashley. Come on. I got you, Ashley. Come on. I gave you a listing in Florida. We rolling. Stay with me. I got you. Okay.
All right.
All right. I got you. Not today, though. All right. Today is just pricing. All right. So this is a pricing sheet that you all have access to. Now, where do you get it? It breaks it down. This just makes it real simple. Make it bigger. Okay. You get this information from the tax records and FMLS. Look at sold comps in MLS, wherever your system is, right? That's you fill all this top part out about. Just go on the tax records and get all this information, right? Fill it out, and then we already know we got to the price was $206 a square foot. And then we know we add $3 a square foot. We give a range. Why do we do that? Because most underwriters have a $5 per square foot range. My sister's been an underwriter for years. And so we always add 3 because we want to be worst case scenario. And we just do simple math and it gives us a range. So let me walk you through this a little bit better. So all I did was go to the tax records and MLS and grab this information. That's where I got it from. Okay. Then to get the schools, I Googled find my blank county school. And I just searched like a parent. I put my address in and it spit out the elementary, middle, and high school. Why did I do that? Because when we're listing a property, we want to make sure that we can either market schools, and if we cannot market schools, we want to market sports. If we cannot market sports, we want to market something special about these schools, right? So what's considered a good school in America now is probably 6 or better, right? In most people's mind. And what you will find out is people will say, I only want my kid in this school because it's a great school. And then you go to look up the school and it's like a 3, but they don't know it's a 3.
That happened here.
That happens a lot of grandmothers do that. My baby need to go. And then you look up the school, you go, oh, it's the 3. And then you have to do a nice way of sharing that with her, right? Right.